first, let us say good morning to Jessie James Decker.
Hi.
Hello, good morning. Merry Christmas. You've got this brand new single out, so obviously you're a fan of the holidays.
Yes, I am.
Yeah?
Baby, it's Christmas. Yep, just released it. It's on iTunes now.
And I know your husband, who, by the way, is a wide receiver for our New York Jets,
yes, he
had a
is.
little fun with the song. Tell me about that.
You know, I wrote it. I wanted it to be about our first Christmas together and all the things that we love, and so I combined it all into one song.
We're seeing your little darling little one. How's everything going? How's
she?
She
is amazing. She's already standing, and she can kind of dance when she stands on her own. It's really cute.
You like mommy's music?
She is 8 months now, almost 9 months. Yeah.
Kids change the holidays.
They definitely do.
Really
It's going to be
do.
even more fun.
Most importantly, thank you for collecting toys as part of our toy drive. We really appreciate that.
Absolutely. It's a great cause.
All right, Jessie James Decker. Check it out, the new song.